NBA Finals na. Can Indiana shock OKC? Indiana and OKC are similar in many ways. They play very fast, led by two elite playmakers and shot callers with effective, disruptive defenders around them. But what Indiana does well, OKC does much, much better. So may chance bang Pacers dito? The Thunder give up the most corner threes in the league. It's a sacrifice they pay for their swarming defense. The Pacers, in the playoffs, they shoot almost 47% from the corners. And in 2 games against OKC, they even shot almost 54%. Pero parehong talo. So, wala nang chance to. The story of this series boils down to if the Pacers' pass-heavy offense can succeed against the busy hands of the OKC defense. If the Pacers can execute their game plan against the pesky thieves of the Thunder, they stand a chance here. Pero sa tingin ko, Thunder in 6. Generous pa yan. Ikaw?